in more related news break that's coming in on the Tirupati Laddu controversy. It's the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam that has filed a complaint with the East Police Station in Tirupati against AR Dairy Food Private Limited for supplying adulterated ghee. The complaint seeks criminal action against the culprits, registration of an FIR and a thorough investigation to uncover the truth behind the ghee adulteration. So the TDT seeking action against AR Dairy Food Private Limited. Let's go across to Aneri, who's joining us with the details. Aneri, this is a complaint that's been filed by the TDT seeking action against AR Dairy for supplying substandard ghee to the temple. Take us through the details of this complaint.
Well, that's right, Samiksha. What we have been seeing is that now the TTD has filed a complaint to the police station in Tirupati, where we see East Police Station in Tirupati, where we see that they have requested that the police officials to file a criminal case against AR Dairies. They have given a written complaint saying that how they have supplied adulterated ghee to the Tirumala temple, and also at the same time they continue to mention that there should be action taken against the culprits, and also at the same time they continue to mention that there should be an action against these, and further investigation should be taken up as to what went wrong and why, and the culprits who are behind this has to be punished. A strict action should be taken is what the TTD board has given a written complaint to the police station. And also at the same time we have been seeing that there will be an SIT team which will be investigating into this matter, and also further we have been seeing that how on the other hand YSRCP has also moved to Supreme Court filing a PIL over this, asking that there should be a sitting judge investigation to be taking place into this matter. So we'll have to wait and watch next as to where this is going to lead to, because now on one side TTD has filed a police complaint at the against AR Dairies, and on the other side YSRCP goes to Supreme Court filing a PIL.
All right, Aneri, thank you for the moment. In fact, we also spoke with spiritual leader Ram Bhadracharya. Listen in to what he has to say on the Tirupati Laddu controversy.
देखिए, तिरुपति में जो कुछ हुआ वो बहुत अभद्र हुआ, जबकि तिरुपति सबसे श्रेष्ठ संस्था है, और अब हम सब हिंदू एकजुट होंगे और इस अपमान का दंड देंगे। कुछ भी हो जाए, हमारी 1857 जैसी परिस्थिति बन गई। मंगल पांडे इसी पर तो आक्रोशित हुए थे, उनको कारतूस मुख से छूनी पड़ती थी, उसमें गाय की चर्बी लगी थी, वही हमारे प्रसाद में हुआ। अब हम सब इकट्ठे होंगे और इस अपमान का कठोरता से दंड देंगे। मैं कह रहा हूँ यही, हम दंड की व्यवस्था कर रहे हैं। क्रांति होगी, अब याचना नहीं, अब रण होगा, संग्राम महाभीषण होगा। अब हिंदुओं को इकट्ठा होना पड़ेगा। सब समस्याओं का समाधान है हिंदुओं का इकट्ठा होना। और मैंने लड़कियों के लिए भी कहा है कि लव जिहाद के चक्कर मत पड़ो, अंतर जाति अंतर धर्मी विवाह मत करो, ऐसे संबंध कभी सफल होते नहीं हैं। अपनी वर्ण व्यवस्था में रहो, सब कुछ मंगल होगा।